Hey guys, ScooterATVSales.com at Scooter City Reno ATV Wholesale Outlet. We just have an arrival of our Bull 200 full-size adult two-wheel drive ATVs. Just want to show you guys what the process is when they do arrive. In the box, they do arrive in large boxes like that. This is called a PDI assembly process. It takes about an hour to an hour and a half per vehicle to fully PDI, test and tune, and roll out to the showroom for our customers. So yeah, tires and wheels over here, and vehicles right now are on jacks. They do arrive in large crates again. We have more vehicles to be fully PDI'd. So come down and check us out. We are located at 920 MATLEY Lane, Suite 6 in Reno, Nevada. Number here is 775-856-3398. We'll see you guys soon.